मेरा नाम अभिलाषा है and I am our club's editor of the Green Greater Noida Club, and I am so excited to have you all here. So excited. So we are going to be starting our meeting. Really apologies for being late, pretty late. But we're going to start the meeting. So I would request, the first thing is that to ask the club secretary, are you ready? The club secretary Amita to collar our president Manju Sachdeva ji. Yeah, yes, sir. Sorry. Yeah, and I would request Madhuji, past district chairman, to collar our distinguished guest, district chairman Manisha. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please call the meeting to order.
Meeting called to order.
Thank you. And now we will have the lighting of the lamp ceremony. Please request you all to head to.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darsham Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Hari Om. Swasti na Indra Bharadhasaravaha, Swasti na Bhogabhisavavedaha, Swasti nastariksha arishtane me, Swasti na Aspadardadhatu Parekhadasava Marudaha Varishni Mataraha Suvanjabhana Bhirathe Kujigamayaha Agni Jivva Manavaha Sura Chakshata Visaveno Deva Avasa Gamanneha Bhadarangarane Vesraduyama Deva Bhadaram Pasye Maksha Virjajatara Spirat Dangayastashto Vagusastanu Virvyase Vahidevahidan Jadayo Sadamenno Sarada Antideva Jidaraнаschakara Jara Jidara Petara Bhavante Mana Madhyari Righata Yirganto Samadidhan Mata Sapita Saputara Visve Deva Aditi Panchajana Aditurja Tamaditurjantavam Mayau Shantirandarikshakum Santi Predevi Shantirapaha Shantirakadayaha Shanti Vanasapadayaha Shantirvisave Devaha Shantir Brahma Shanti Sarvagum Santi Santi Vasanti Sama Santi Redhi Jaloyataha Samihase Tadana Avayam Guru Sanyaha Guru Parajabhya Bhayannaha Padriyaha Sandravadu Hari Om Gananandava Ganapatigum Mahe Priyanandava Priyapatigum.
बातों की बातों का है केवल इतना सार, बातों की बातों का है केवल इतना सार। चलो सच की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार, चलो सच की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार। हो दुश्मन सामने तो ना करना कोई बात, हर एक बड़ी मुश्किल का भी देखो हल है प्यार। चलो प्यार की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार, चलो प्यार की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम, सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे को सीताराम। हिंसा नहीं अहिंसा है विकास का आधार, बापू के हर सपने को कर आओ हम साकार। चलो मन की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार, चलो मन की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम, सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे को सीताराम। हो सादा जीवन हाजी, ऊंचे हो सदा विचार, कोई गैर नहीं दुश्मन, दुश्मन तो है मन के विकार। चलो सच की राह पे तो तुम आप ही लग जाओगे पार।
That our treasurer, club treasurer Amita is going to lead. So,
भाई माइक स्टार्ट कर दो।
भाव के सत्य अर्थ को हम सब में है ईश्वर भर दो, हम सब ही हैं तेरे बालक, भूले ना ये इतना कर दो। धर्म और संस्कृति भेदों का मन में नहीं स्थान रहे, सभी मानवों की सेवा का हमें सदा ही ध्यान रहे। आवश्यकता हमें मदद की हो सकती है याद रहे, सेवा करने की जरूरतें जहाँ कहीं भी आन पड़े, सेवा करने का संकल्प की तत्पर हम सब डटे रहें। इनर व्हील की शान बढ़ाएं, ये हमें प्रदान करो, मानव जीवन व्यर्थ न जाए, प्रभु ये कृपा प्रदान करो।
thank you.
Everybody, I welcome our vibrant district chairman Dr. Manisha Kaushik for our prestigious COB meeting. I welcome all the dignitaries and the inner wheel friends. It was truly an enriching experience to serve the society and perform my duty to the best of my ability. Inner wheel teaches us to face the challenges of all type of performance and come out with a nice experience. We empower women by providing them basic needs, nutritious food and healthy and hygienic education, and organizing the projects to the support to them. मंजिलें उनको मिलती हैं जिनके इरादों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता यारों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Being your own unique self is the pure beauty. Thanks.
Thank you, Manjuji, for that beautiful quotation. And now I request our club secretary.
Presented the following summary of the successful projects undertaken by our club, Green Greater Noida, in District 305. During the month of October 2024, each initiative was designed to make a meaningful impact in the lives of those in need, aligning with our club's commitment to community service and employment. First, child welfare. Our club celebrated Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri birthday at Apna School, Vikas Vishranti. Second, 9th October, family welfare. We continued our signature project while distributing dry ration to old age home, Delhi. May I request all the our members attend a joint project event contributing 5,000 and supporting 80 beneficiary women empower committee from Women Empowerment, New Old Age Home, Sector 163, Noida. Our club supported in celebration of Navratri, we contributed 3,200 to support the elderly residents spreading joy during the festive season in Old Age Home, Knowledge Park. As part of a joint project, we contributed 2,400 to support 30 differently abled children at Muskaan. We sent Diwali sweets to Health Aging India, Vasant Kunj, contributing 1,500 to bring festive cheer to the elderly residents. In preparation for winter, we distributed woolen sweaters and dresses to underprivileged children, benefiting to 60 children with a contribution of 10,000 rupees. 18 October, Women Empowerment. During the District 301 Filia Market, we set up a stall for Apna School, enabling underprivileged children to sell items and gain skills, contributing 2,500 to the cause. These projects reflect. We participate in the Children's Day event organized by Vikas Vishanti NGO. 100 children with a contribution of 1,600 in Sports Day. These projects reflected the commitments and compassion of our club members in addressing the needs of our community. I extend my gratitude to each of you for dedication and support in the making these efforts successful. Let us continue working together to serve the community and bring positive change to the lives of those who need it the most. Live in a wheel, love in a wheel. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Can I ask if you received any apologies or any blessings, any wishes? Have you received any?
Sugandha Bharti ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amita ji, for that report as well as the apologies and wishes. And now I request our club president to welcome our district chairman and the various dignitaries and guests, please.
Our advisor, please come on the dais. Please come. I welcome District Secretary Deepa ji. Welcome. Thank you for the coming.
My pleasure. Thank you everyone.
And District SO Madhu Nagpal ji, please. Thank you so much for the coming.
I would request Deepa ji and Madhu ji to please come because they want to honor you. Yes.
हाँ जी मैडम जी, इधर देखेंगे। इधर देखेंगे मैडम जी। मधु मैम, मंजू मैम सामने। डन।
Karuna ji is our club advisor. Karuna Bhalaji, past association secretary and the winner of the Margaret Golden Award. Yes, I said. And Shashi is the Golden Award this year. Please, Shashi ji, please step forward. Don't feel shy. Please step forward. It's our honor to honor you. So yes, please.
हाँ जी।
मैडम जी। Inner wheel की mother.
मदर हमेशा ही बहुत क्लोज होती है हार्ट।
Okay. Anyone we have left? Okay. Can I please request Pooja, Anmol Ratan, a member of Anmol Ratan, to honor her, please. Thank you. And please call our past president and our dynamic leader, Rekha Dave. And she's also a member of Anmol Ratan, is very, very active at all levels. And, okay, and I can also request past president Neeraj, past president Neeraj. Present president, sorry, I'm sorry. This is impromptu, totally impromptu. Please, Can I request Anita Singla, President Anita Singla, please to come forward. So many dignitaries, a galaxy of stars today. Living in Greater Noida. Okay. Okay, President of Naveen Greater Noida Club. Please excuse me for my lack of knowledge. Yes, so many luminaries. My God. Oh. So let's give a round of applause. A big round of applause to everyone, all the dignitaries, all the guests. Thank you so much for taking the time. I know how precious time is. Thank you so much. आप आए हमारे हौसले को बढ़ाने के लिए and to celebrate this very important and a very, very special meeting for all of us here. So thank you so much for taking out your time. And now, since we've already had the secretary's report, we will move on to the treasurer's report by our club treasurer, Anita Tyagi.
I am reading the accounts of my club of this year. Initially, in July month, opening balance was in admin 4,258 rupees. Charity account opening.
Savita ji, please come forward. We would like to honor you, your presence here with us. Yeah, could you come forward to the dais, please? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now we move on to the ISO report by our club ISO, Ira Arora.
Jai Innerville to everyone. It's great to be here with all of you, with seeing so many beautiful, smart, smiling faces. I quote, "Friendship is a fabric woven with thread of trust and shared experiences, creating a fabric of warmth and unconditional support." I'm Ira Arora, ISO. This year we have exchanged 25 flags in total till date. 16 flags exchanged in the District 301 and 9 flags exchanged out of district. I have also contacted 2 link clubs assigned to me. I have registered for triennial conference to be held in Delhi this year, and I am also going to excursion trip to Jim Corbett. I'll exchange flags there with other districts. I would like to finish the quote, "The only way to be a friend is to be one." Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And now, since I have the honor of being the club editor, we have released our first newsletter for the club, and I would request, we have it a digital format, so it's on my laptop, and we're going to be it on the projector. So, can I go there? Can you come? Can you come? So just do it. We need the lights off. Lights off कर दीजिए.
पीछे की भी ऑफ हो जाती ना लाइट.
Okay. All right. That's the first page.
मैं इसे कम कर देती.
Nice. President's message. We have the district chairman's message. And we have the district editor's message. Thank you all. We have Karnaji's message, who's right here with us. And we have PDC Shashi Kumar's message, who's also here with us. And we have some pictures of our team. I've also actually put out, interestingly, you were asking people to share something other than Innerville. So we have 1 or 2 lines about each of the executive team and a quotation of their choice. And we have some highlights of some key projects that we have done in the last few months. This is, of course, NGO we support, Vikas Vishranti. You know about it. Apna School, Apna Ghar, they have many. And you can see here Usha ji with Rekha ji and Manju ji. Some of the projects that we have done with them, you can see the pictures. This is an article by Amita called For Change. And some glimpses of our other projects. And some of the meetings and bonding and fellowship that we share. And we want to have fun. This is the final note from me. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strength. And when you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. And you have it in you. Thank you very much.
White body.
Okay. While we are doing that, let me just take you to the next project. In our club also donated the fees for one student studying studying under the auspices of Silver Lining, which is an NGO which supports. Yeah. Okay.
Ask chairman to come.
Please, the chairman to come and open that and show you.
इधर करा लो, ये बैनर है।
अभी तो गलत जगह पे है।
बैनर है।
आप इस साइड करो मैम, ताकि कैमरा उस साइड लगा सको और बैनर भी आ जाए। हाँ जी, इधर
देखिए। Branding and one of our member factory is doing this. So 101 bags are here. Will be given to these kids and others. Please watch it. Branding के लिए please. Everybody from the executives, district executives, Shashi ji, Karna ji, please.
मैं तो थैला उठा के चलिए इधर देखेंगे। हाँ जी, मधु मैम सामने। रेडी 1 2 क्लिक क्लिक 1 मोर क्लिक। वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो रही है। हाँ जी, इधर देखेंगे जी। मैम सामने 1 मोर 1 क्लास 10। अभी देती हूँ, ठीक 1 मिनट दे दो मुझे बस। हाँ जी, सामने देखेंगे। एक और है।
These are the uniforms for the children in Gurukul. We've donated them for 40 children. Some of them are here. 40 children uniforms. Applause, please.
हाँ जी, 1 मिनट। शशि मैम सामने जाते हो। रेखा मैम आप भी चले जाओ। हाँ जी, सारी चीज़ें फ्रेम देखनी होती है जी, गड़बड़ ना हो जाए। हाँ जी, इधर देखेंगे। शशि मैम सामने 1 मोर 1 डन।
Thank you. Another organization we support for the visually impaired, and we have helped a student with her education fees. All right, okay. Yeah, so.
हाँ जी, इधर देखेंगे। मैडम जी, आंटी जी 1 मिनट आ रहे हो? मैं तो कहती हूँ इसको परमानेंट यहीं रखूँगी। हाँ जी, डन।
शादी ब्याह में ना आजकल डिक्टेट फोटोग्राफर करता है, ऐसे हमारी मीटिंग आजकल हमारी डिक्टेट करती है।
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू सो मच मैडम जी, आशीर्वाद है आपका।
और टी-शर्ट, ओके।
फोटो खींच लीजिए पहले, फिर आपको फोटो खींचिए।
सबसे पहले तो तालियां जोरदार ग्रीक ग्रेटर नोएडा के लिए। It is not only women empowerment, but they also make sure that किसी ने भी कुछ छोटा सा भी कहा हो उसका ख्याल रखा गया है, and that is where this is for our own Himani.
Thank you so much ma'am.
Yes, she deserves this. For sure. Okay. Thank you so much.
की फोटो मैं लेती हूँ। चलिए,
स्लोगन भी अच्छा है इसके लिए तो बिल्कुल सही है। सनशाइन एंड विंडी है, हवा की तरह उड़ती रहती है। और मैं कैसे पहनूंगी कभी की ब्रांडिंग कैसे करूंगी?
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
So that she can be more energetic
ये जान भी हो गई।
आप लगा लो फटाफट से।
We also have with us representatives from Support the Heroes here who have been patiently waiting, and we have supported this organization. Support them. We have looking after them. They find them in the remotest of remote locations, and they support them. They have been doing this work for quite many years now, and we have been support the heroes.
And thank you so much for your support. We provide the support to the ex-servicemen who need are not covered by the various pension schemes and all, or the cadets from the various academies like Defense Academy, IMA, OTA, Naval Academy. Because of the medical reasons, the cadets have to leave the academy to try and support them. And all this will go very handy for them, and support from you all is always. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Karuna ma'am. Thank you so much, Manisha ma'am, Rekha ma'am, Manju ma'am. मैं 4-5 लाइनों में कॉज के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि कुछ मेरे को सामने नए फेसेस हैं जिनसे मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रहा हूँ। मैं 1999 कारगिल वॉर वेटरन का बेटा हूँ, एंड ही इज पार्ट ऑफ अ टीम कर्नल सौरभ जैन। ही पार्टिसिपेट 1971 कारगिल वॉर, जो अभी हाल ही में हम 16 दिसंबर को 53 ईयर्स मनाएंगे 1971 की विक्ट्री है। सो ही पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दैट वॉर। नॉर्मली फौज के बारे में सिविल में एक राय है कि अक्सर फौजियों को पेंशन मिलती है, ये धारणा है कॉमन। या तो फौजी शहीद होता है तो उसकी फैमिली को फंड्स मिलता है, या फौजी रिटायर होकर आता है तो ही मस्ट बी गेटिंग हैंडसम पेंशन। बट फौज में कुछ ऐसे भी रूल रेगुलेशन जिनके बारे में मैं नहीं पता, तो वो धारणा आधी अधूरी है। वो ये कि पेंशन का एक नियम है फौज में कि आपकी 15 साल की सर्विस अनिवार्य है टू गेट द पेंशन। कई कारणों से कुछ फौजियों को फौज से 15 साल से पहले भेज दिया जाता है या आना पड़ जाता है, तो वो पेंशन की हकदार होते ही नहीं है। जब आती है वृद्ध अवस्था की, तो सबकी वृद्ध अवस्था सेम नहीं होती है। कुछ बहुत बुरे हालात से गुजरते हैं, और ऐसे जो बुरे हालात से गुजरते हैं उन्हें हम मदद करते हैं। इसके अलावा हम उन केसेस पे काम करते हैं जो फौज की एग्जिस्टिंग पॉलिसी में या तो कवर नहीं है, और अगर कवर है तो देयर इज अ लॉन्ग वेटिंग पीरियड, और सामने वाले की जो नीड है वो अर्जेंट है। सो हम इन शॉर्ट ये कह सकते हो कि जहां मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस अपने हाथ खड़े करती है, वहां हमारा रोल चालू होता है। हमने आज से फरवरी में 8 साल हो जाएंगे। आज से करीबन 8 साल पहले हमने जब शुरुआत की थी, तो एक राज्य के एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट से एक बेनिफिशियल स्टार्ट की थी। आज ये जर्नी है 17 राज्यों में पहुंच चुकी है, और 8 सालों में 4 साल का जो टाइम है वो आप सबके साथ पूरा किया है डिस्ट्रिक्ट 301 के साथ। तो 50% जर्नी आप लोगों के साथ हमने पूरी की है। जर्नी में एक बेनिफिशियरी था, आज 300 से ज्यादा लोगों की मदद की, और एवरी मंथ वी आर लुकिंग आफ्टर 130 सोल्जर्स एंड देयर फैमिलीज एवरी मंथ। और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे एक्लॉज और एप्रिसिएशन मिली है, वो सिर्फ आप लोगों के, क्योंकि बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है, और सागर किसी की प्यास बुझा दे तो उससे बेहतर कुछ हो नहीं सकता। So we got appreciation letters from various welfare departments of Army. इसके अलावा हमें हेड ऑफ द स्टेट से भी मिला है, 4 हेड ऑफ द स्टेट जिसमें 3 गवर्नर 1 CM है, और अभी हाल ही में कुछ बॉलीवुड स्टार से भी मिला है जिसमें कुछ लोगों को मैंने शेयर भी किया था। सो वो हैप्पीनेस भी है कि दूसरों के साथ शेयर करो तो बढ़ती है। सो आप सभी के साथ मैंने शेयर किया। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much. And now I'd like to invite Dr. Dr. Pushpa from Healthy Aging. She's running an old age home in Srinivas. Yeah. These are blankets.
This is
Geyser. Okay. Geyser which we are giving to them. इधर आ जाइए। हाँ।
हाँ जी, इधर देखेंगे मैडम जी। डन। ऐसे ही रहना मैडम जी, ऐसे ही रहना।
बच्चों को आगे बुला दीजिए।
रेखा मैडम जी।
आगे आइए।
यूनिफॉर्म जो पहनी है
जाना नहीं अभी कोई है? 1 मिनट।
आ जाओ सारे बच्चे, आ जाओ जल्दी जल्दी से आ जाओ।
मैडम जी 2 ग्रुप में फोटो लेती हूँ, 2 ग्रुप में पहले है ना। हाँ जी मैम मनीषा मैम थोड़ी सी आगे आ जाओ आप। करुणा मैम आप भी थोड़ी सी आगे आ जाओ। बस 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 बस। अरे तुम क्यों आगे आ रहे हो? हाँ जी डन। आ जाओ। हाँ जी इधर देखेंगे सारे। मनीषा मैम सामने। क्या हो गया? कुछ चीज जाएगी। हाँ जी इधर देखेंगे। मैडम जी आप कहाँ देख रहे हो? सामने देखो ना। बस थैंक यू। इसके बाद हाँ जी ऐसे ही रहना। मैडम जी सामने मंजू मैम। डन। मानी है
ललिता आप पीछे पीछे कहाँ गए?
हाँ जी आगे सारे देखेंगे इधर एक बारी।
सर्दी आ गई है,
स्टार्ट करें।
गर्म पानी फिर
हाँ जी इधर देखेंगे। रेडी 1 2 क्लिक क्लिक 1 मोर क्लिक।
सब मेंबर्स थोड़ा थोड़ा कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं एंड दिस टाइम वी आर गिविंग टू दिस ओल्ड एज होम, तो देयर इज अ राशन फॉर देम। डॉक्टर पुष्पा आपका सामान है।
हाँ जी डन। हाँ जी, इधर देखेंगे।
आप इधर आ जाइए।
सही थे, सही थे मैडम जी, आप बिल्कुल सही थे, फ्रेम में बिल्कुल सही थे। एक मिनट मैडम जी।
एक कोई दिलवा दोगे, वो बाकी आ जाए, टाइम लगेगा।
हाँ जी, इधर देखिए, एक मुट्ठी अनाज भी है तो मुट्ठी भी बना दो। डन। अरे एक ही खोल लो भाई, एक ही खोल लो। सारी क्यों खोलनी है? बस बस। हाँ जी भैया जी, ऐसे इधर हो जाओ,
थोड़ा सा आगे
बस। हाँ जी मैडम जी, करूँ? डन। वन मोर। डन।
Now, our president will talk about future projects that we have in line for us. I would request all of you.
Check out all the things by Sharda Hospital. And underprivileged children, body checkup in Kashi Apna school by James Hospital. We have already talked to them. They will agree to do this job. And self-defense, talk about underprivileged children. And this time we are making the bakery classes for the Apna school children and teachers also. And Apna school has made so many things that is displayed on the table. You can see and look after. See and buy. Thank you so much.
Now is Ida there? Ida? Okay, all right. So I will stand for this one. It's my something I've really been looking forward to. So we would like, I would like to invite the district chairman. But before I invite her, I'd like to tell you a little bit about her. It is my honor to introduce you to her. You meet some people who just lift the lid off you. And they do so by their energy level, their level of enthusiasm and the passion for the cause and their incessant drive to strive more. Our present DC, District Chairman, Dr. Manisha Kaushik, is one such individual. She's a microbiologist by training and education, a businesswoman by vocation, a fashion model and a public speaker in her own right, and she is also a mentor to Niti Aayog. I would request you all to be quiet, please. No side talk, please. No side talk. She joined Innerwheel in 2013 in the Gurgaon South City Club. That's a home club, and quickly rose by taking on various leadership roles to be the president of her club. During her tenure, a record 18 new members were added, wow, and the club garnered 13 trophies and awards. She entered the district as editor in 2019-2020 and moved on to be ISO, treasurer, secretary, vice chairman, and of course, the chairman this year. In all the positions she held, she came up with innovative ideas and campaigns, and it's impossible to talk about that right now, which she will probably be covering in her address, which were executed with finesse and a lot of zeal. For example, as district secretary, she compiled all the joint projects for the district in a bulletin which she called Spreading Smiles. Dr. Manisha has a long list of personal awards and accolades, and each one of them make us, her Innerwheel family, really proud, really proud of her, very proud. She grew up in an army family and imbibed the values of integrity, discipline and service. And I got a glimpse of that when I attended the editor and ISO meeting. She won my heart and I'm sure she won the hearts of many others, because she said something about discipline. She said our meetings will always start on time. And I was actually floored, because that is again leaders walking the talk. Right? That's a true mark of a true leader. Dear ladies and gentlemen, guests and Innerwheel family, please put your hands together for our limitless beacon of empowerment and change, Dr. Manisha Kaushik.
I will request you to say a few words.
Before I begin, I would actually, request the club advisor, our dear past assistant secretary, Dr. Karuna Bhallaji, to give blessings.
It comes so surprisingly, but so kind of you, Manisha, Manju, our chairman, Manisha, the district executive and IPP, Rekha Dave, district secretary, Siddhipa, Madhu Nagpal, the ASO, and Margaret Golding awardee this year, Shashi Kumar, and two gentlemen from Support the Heroes, and all the Innerwheel presidents from other clubs, as well as you all, this club, and also those little girls, students at the back. It's an auspicious day, also because it started with Vedic Sanskriti. बहुत सुंदर श्लोक गाए गए शुरू में, और जो छोटा सा डांस बच्चों ने दिखाया, इतना अच्छा, वो हमारे संस्कार कि मन सच्चा हो तो सब ठीक है, अपनेपन के साथ, मित्रता के साथ, सच्चाई के साथ, हमारा वही हमारी जीत है, हमारी विजयश्री है। बहुत अच्छा लगा, और I am so overwhelmed with the number of projects you have done. I'm so proud of you all, and I'm so happy that I'm the advisor of this club. So this is something heartening, so beautiful that you all are doing such a beautiful work that really makes us all proud. And now I think I should give a chance to Manisha, because we are all waiting for her to speak. So our chairman, Manisha.
Thank you so much, Karunaji. Thank you. Your blessings are actually, what they need, the club. Your advice is what they are imbibing, and that's how it goes on. And so that is why आपकी blessings बहुत जरूरी है. Good afternoon to the young and the very young. Good afternoon. सब लोग सुन रहे हैं ना? Very nice. It's so nice to be here today, a special day, like our dear club advisor, Margaret Golden awardee, past association secretary, PDC Dr. Karuna Bhalla said, we began the day with Vedic Sanskriti. The children recited it so beautifully, and I really wished it went on and on. It was so soothing, and especially in days when we all are going through a lot of stress. Something like this eases out the stress and makes peace with your own self. So it was a beautiful feeling to start that, Manjuji. Heartiest congratulations to Club President, Green Greater Noida, my good friend Manju Sachdeva ji, the team of this vibrant club, and the club advisor of this, again, beautiful club, beautiful members, for a very, very productive and successful executive committee meeting. Their club holds a special place in my heart, and तभी तो chairman की अनमोल एक आपकी भी है, isn't it? So your past president Rekha Dave happens to be in my team Anmol, and she knows that team Anmol stands for loyalty, integrity, work hand in hand, growth together. They may be behind the scenes, but each one gives in their best so that we all are able to do things in a much better way, much more positively. And that you can imagine, that is where she is. She means to me. So, once again, a big round of applause to your Vibrant Club for all the work you are doing. I must say, all the records in place, each and everything very proper. And you people have a zeal to learn. उसके लिए भी तालियां बनती हैं, because you wanted to ask questions, learn, improve, imbibe. Wonderful. I also thank our District Secretary Deepa Goyal, our dear DESO, PTC, Madhu Nagpal, my mentor and guide. They have come here in spite of the fact that our schedules are extremely tight. Tomorrow we have the association president coming in at 12 o'clock, and believe you me, it will be inner wheel and inner wheel for the next 3 days. I also thank very vibrant, wonderful PDC pehle bolu ya Margaret Golden Awardee pehle bolu, I don't know, but let me put it like this. This year, only 2 people in India have got this prestigious award, the biggest award of service in Innerweave, the Margaret Golden Award, and that is our PDC Shashi Kumar ji. कितना अच्छा लगता है ये सुन के और ये बोल के, तो आप सोच सकते हो, it gives us pride that you know we have you, and it is when India has this year gotten only 2 and 301, and you are the one. So thank you for contributing to society and doing this work so very well. You make us all proud. Thanks to our presidents, your batchmates who are joining you today on this special day, because a chairman official visit is very special for the club. It is just like, you know, they're hosting some kind of it's an occasion or a festival. That's what happens. Planning, things, so many things are going into it. So it's nice to see Dr. Neeraj, Anita ji, you know, sitting with you all. Savita ji, I can see, it's very nice. Also, I have another member of Team Anmol who's very close to my heart, Pooja Gupta, for being here. To all of you, from the NGOs we support, Save Our Heroes, ma'am, you are supporting the senior citizen homes. All of you are contributing in your possible ways, and that is where Innerweave makes all the difference, because we are a strong force of women who come together and make things happen, isn't it? So, अपने अंदर की strong, incredible women के लिए भी ताली बजा दो. Why ताली? You must be wondering. जब से इन्होंने बोलना शुरू किया है, तब से इन्होंने 5 बार ताली बजवा दी. No, it is wake up call. It is lot of blood rush. So you are motivated and you are hearing better to what is going on, and that is where you also want to do what others are doing. And our selfish interest at Innerweave, being the district chairman, the more number of hands to work, the more number of hands to give back to society is what we want in today's world, isn't it? So here I must say, all of you put together, come forward, put your best foot forward, because that's where the journey starts. That's where there's the exchange of knowledge, exchange of power, happiness, sadness, and that's how we go on to become this wonderful organization which completes 101 years. कभी सोचा है 1 साल हो गए इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को? This is the first year of the new millennium. कितनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं ऐसी इन द वर्ल्ड जिनकी जर्नी इतनी लंबी है? If you go through Google, you will find hardly anyone, and that too beautiful ladies coming together, and India being so strong that we have about 75,000 members coming from all walks of life to contribute to the underprivileged, to make a difference, to make sure that the hopes are alive of people who are waiting. कोई तो आएगा, कोई तो कुछ करेगा. So we are the hopes. You are the angels. And that is how you should treat your own self. And go ahead. Do your best. I've been very impressed, Manjuji, today with all the projects you did. And believe you me, I mean, वहाँ ऐसा लग रहा था कि we are going, coming. But so much, so many things done, wonderful. That shows that your club believes not only in just the talk, but walk for the cause. Do something much more. I'm pretty impressed with Ek Muthi Anaz, because that is where you are doing this and feeding families for the last about 8 years, if I'm not wrong. And I was telling them, I was asking them, so they were thinking, and I said, no, Ek Muthi, because that also features in my report on the 28th. So that is how we also catch, what is your club doing. Any signature project talks of what? Can somebody tell me of the club? Any signature project puts forth what? A commitment, a legacy of the club, that if you start something, it goes on. It is irrespective of the person who leads. So that talks volumes of the organization and wonderful job you people are doing. I can see 2 wonderful cups. You people won at the IWCL, right? Some people must be wondering, IWCL kya hai? First time ever, Inner Wheel Cricket League. So believe you me, we are giving a competition to IPL now. Why not? See, the thought has to come, and from there it starts, the journey starts. So wonderful for all this work, contributing, and teamwork, which I saw amongst all of you, standing for each other. That makes all the difference. The Apna Ghar, of course, thanks to Karuna ji. It has been, we have been going to Apna Ghar since, I think, 2014, I have been going there. So again, that holds a very special place, and all of you beautiful children are doing so well. God bless you all. Going ahead, I would request all of you to please join us on the 27th. We do a big mega project, Samarpan. This is to fight breast cancer and other forms of cancer. So we are donating a very, very big thermocoagulator, which not only detects breast cancer, but it detects 9 other forms of cancer. कौन दे रहा है? आप सबने मिलके उसके लिए contribute किया है. So come forward. It's one of the biggest projects we are doing this year once again. And unless and until you stand there and see what you're doing, you will never be motivated to do more. So इसलिए आइए on the 27th. Whoever has not registered, please come forward and register for the district conference. The district conference this year is very special. It is the 40th district conference. 40 years of District 301. Can you beat that? So years of celebration. 101 year of International Inner Wheel. 40 years of District 301. Come on, amazing. So you people must be there, and why we urge the members to join is you learn so much about Inner Wheel, and unless and until you meet, you don't want, and it does not become big. So इसीलिए बटन दबाइए, रजिस्टर करिए डिस्ट्रिक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए। आई थिंक वी आर नॉट क्लोज्ड और वी आर जस्ट अबाउट क्लोज्ड, तो जरूर आइए। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट आवर एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कम एंड सी कि आप लोग ने क्या काम किया है और आप अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट का इलेक्शन कितनी स्मूथली कंडक्ट करते हो, क्या करते हो। सो इसीलिए इट्स अ शोकेस ऑफ all of us, not only me. Besides that, we are also having Ruby celebrations. So something special, something different. And won't it be amazing to see the charter presidents who had started the clubs in 1985? Imagine, we still have some of them and they are so enthusiastic that, believe you me, whenever I meet them, I really feel, कौन सा अनाज खाते हैं, कौन सा आटा खाते हैं. So if ladies at 83 and 85 can come and join us, shouldn't we be there before them? Shouldn't we lend a hand to assist them? तो इसीलिए आगे आइए, जितना डिस्ट्रिक्ट इवेंट्स में आएंगे उतना आप हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जान पाएंगे. That is followed by a Jim Corbett excursion. Believe you me, I've been there at least 10 times. And I was actually joking with them that all the animals must be knowing me very well. But the idea is not that. The idea is to spend some time together in an informal atmosphere to foster friendship, fellowship, to learn more about each other. And that is Jim Corbett. तो जरूर आइए पंडित जी, जो भी आना चाहता है जरूर उनको बताइए. And come forward for a wonderful time together. 2 nights, I think all of us need a break from home. Now comes the most important thing of this year. And why I say most important, but because, believe you me, I am not standing for any further elections because we are hosting the 17th Triennial Conference Horizon in Delhi. So being the district chairman of the host district, can I stand anywhere? No. So this is more important for me, and that is why it is more important for our district. Not only that, in 40 years is the first time we are going to be host to such a magnificent event. So should you all be there? It is not me standing there with the flag of 301. It's all of us. And believe you me, the front row is full of the Triennial Committee members. We have amongst us the Triennial Committee co-convener PDC Madhu Nagpal ji. We also have amongst us the Triennial Convener Secretary MGA PDC Shashi Kumar ji. And yes, our co-treasurer for the Triennial Conference, our District Secretary Deepa Goyal. Now it's our job to ensure that the Triennial is flawless. ऐसा मौका दोबारा पता नहीं कब आए, बट जब आता है तो हम सबके साथ से ही तो सुंदर हो पाता है. एंड 301 तो पहली बार इतना बड़ा इवेंट होस्ट कर रहा है, तो आप नहीं आएंगे तो कौन आएगा? Come, give your names, participate. And I'm so happy to hear that the club president Manjuji told me that 4 registrations. 6 registrations have been done for Triennial and many more to come. So all of you have to register, and let me tell you, I know the front row, it is by heart to them that every time I speak this, but yes, it is just 11,000 rupees inclusive of GST is the registration amount. Why I say 11,000 rupees only, this has 3 lunches, 2 high teas, 2 dinners with 1 being a gala dinner जिसमें कि निजामी ब्रदर्स हमारे लिए परफॉर्म करेंगे, with an ISO meet जिसमें कि we have a Dandiya troupe coming in to set the stage on fire. With अभी हुआ नहीं, अभी तो we also have a registration kit जो आपको मिलेगा, and हमारी पूरी कोशिश है कि वो बढ़िया हो. And that too, can you believe, in a 5-star setting. So it is a 5-star convention center. आज मैं और करुणा जी जाएंगे ना लंच करने या डिनर करने. 2 of us. So we will spend almost 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, just the 2 of us, in a 5-star setting. And here, can you beat that? 5 meals with all the amenities and facilities which you can get, the best of the best. Zarur aana. इसीलिए you must not miss this wonderful opportunity, and also an opportunity to learn about your constitution, your amendments, your proposals. And that is where, you know, you feel happy and proud to be part of such a wonderful organization. So we are expecting a lot of people joining in, coming forward. Those of you who want to stay, definitely, you know, can stay there. But the venue hotel is filling up fast. So if you want to register and stay at the venue hotel, please do that ASAP. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. अभी तो 3 दिन we have a bazaar where we have vendors from all across India and also a vendor from abroad for you people. And 3 full days because it is in the venue hotel. So you start at 9 AM and you end at 10 PM. It's in your comfort zone. ठंड भी नहीं लगेगी. Go, listen, participate, make friends, exchange flags. And first time ever for a triennial conference. Mind you, it is not a convention. Convention वो होता है जो बाहर होता है. Manchester was a convention. This is a triennial. In a triennial, which is an Indian affair, we have people, we have delegates coming from Germany, delegates coming from Sri Lanka, Austria, Nepal, Netherlands. तो हमें आना है, make friends and promote fellowship, friendship, and yes, the most important motto of selfless service, जिसके लिए हम लोग यहाँ हैं. Join all the events, be part of it. The event which comes very soon now will be a very big sports day, which is coming on the 27th of December. अगर आप अपनी directory check करेंगे. So for that also we are going to have, the month is a month of tournaments. And then finally, you know, we have the sports day on the 27th. On the 10th of January, because it is the 101st birthday of Innerweave. So yes, we will be having mega celebrations, a mega project, mega event. So stay tuned for more all the time. नजरें बदल लीजिए तो नज़ारे बदल जाते हैं. नजरें बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाते हैं. कुछ करके तो देखिए, सितारे बदल जाते हैं. एक छोटा सा कदम लेके तो देखिए, रास्ते खुद ब खुद खुल जाते हैं. पीछे मुड़ के देखेंगे तो अकेले ना पाएंगे. एक बहुत ही सुंदर कारवां जुड़ जाएगा आपके साथ. आगे बढ़िए. Life is full of possibilities. Innerweave is full of possibilities. And here I would say, aspire to inspire before you expire. Long live Innerweave. Hip hip hooray to your wonderful club for wonderful COV. God bless you all, and hope to see you super soon on the 27th and 28th. Thank you so much.
Inspired. The lid has been lifted yet again. It always happens when you speak. And now I think we have PDC for 20 years in the area of helping disabled people in our society. And with that as a background, she comes with tremendous experience and wisdom. I personally have heard her speak a few times, and I've really been impressed with her understanding, her deep understanding of Innerweave ethos and culture, and her ability to cast a vision of the future, especially for new members like me. I remember the first time I heard you speak. She makes each and every member realize how we can create an impact with whatever small or big action we take. We're extremely excited to announce that, of course, as you all know, that she's recently this year been the recipient of the Margaret Golding Award, which is the highest award in Innerweave. So that is fantastic. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please rise to your feet and put your hands together for listening to please. A big round of applause.
मंजू जी ये ना देखा आके देख खड़े हो अभी देखो
अन्ने विच होएगा गोली ठीक है भरावा हाँ जी मैडम जी ऐसे हो जाओ हाँ जी इधर देखिए वन मोर हाँ जी इधर देखिए वन मोर
I would request all of you to come and join for the picture. नहीं तो फिर बाद में मिलना मुश्किल।
हाँ एक ग्रुप फोटो के लिए आ जाओ सारे खिंचा रेडियो सारे हाँ जी रेडियो फोटो खिंचा चलो जय माता दी
Karuna ji, the club advisor, Nitya, Anmol, Rekha, presidents from other clubs, and members of this club, and our two gentlemen from Support Our Heroes. कहाँ से शुरू किया है? पर हमेशा मैं मेरा दिल दिमाग उस दिन की ओर जाता है जब हमने एक क्लब फॉर्म किया था, and I can never thank Mr. अजीत प्रधान एंड मीना प्रधान है ना जिन्होंने ये क्लब हमारा बनवाया था। और ये वो ज़माना था जब रोटरी और एनवी फैमिली हुआ करते थे और प्रधान साहब ने परंपरा के नाम से हमने की थी, दिल्ली विकास ने होस्ट की थी और हमने एक ओल्ड एज होम की 30 लेडीज को बुलाया था और प्रधान साहब ने पता नहीं एक बस अरेंज की थी, क्या अरेंज किया था। He brought those 30 ladies to that venue and they were extremely happy. That was the beginning, the first year of being Greater Noida. Yeah. And उसके कदम ऐसे पड़े, उन लोगों का आशीर्वाद ऐसा रहा है कि सीढ़ी दर सीढ़ी आप चढ़ते ही गए हो और कितने खूबसूरत प्रोजेक्ट सब आप करने लगे हो। आपका एक मुट्ठी अनाज मैंने हमेशा सराहा है, विकास विश्रांति का कार्य हमेशा बहुत अच्छा रहा है और जो सोचो और नॉट दैट यू ओनली वर्क, यू आल्सो हैव लॉट ऑफ फन और आपके वो आम की अमराई की पिकनिक्स एंड आई होप अनीता यहाँ खड़ी हैं, इनके पति एक अंदर की बात बताना चाह रही हूँ मैं आप लोगों को। इनके पतिदेव ने शिकायत की, कहते मेरी एक तमन्ना है कि मेरी बीवी मेरे साथ सुबह की चाय पिए। आई होप अनीता पीने लग गई।
वो सुबह की चाय अकेले में पीना चाहती है।
I know, she said so. She said so. ये बहुत मीन मैक निकालते हैं, इसलिए मैं अकेले चाय चाहती हूँ। इसलिए जब पति यहाँ बैठे उनसे मैं कहूँ प्लीज मीन मैक मत निकालिए।
कई बार तो मैं अलार्म लगा के जल्दी उठ के पी ले।
So that is the kind of atmosphere हर एक प्रेसिडेंट ने आके और एक जोड़ी है तब हम आज यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। अर्चना जी हैं, बहुत सारे प्रेजेंट, कईयों के नाम भी मैं अभी आज नहीं ले रही हूँ, बट इट्स बीन अ ग्रेट जर्नी और मेरा ख्याल है मैं लगभग हर वर्ष ही यहाँ आती रही हूँ और इतना प्यार इन्होंने हमेशा मुझे दिया है और आई एम जनरली इन द नो हाउ ऑफ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे या कैसे ये प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं। जिंदगी देखिए इनरवीव एक जर्नी है, इट्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ और इसको समझने में भी वक्त लग जाता है। या तो आप उसमें पूरी तरह घुल मिल जाते हैं, यहाँ तक कि शायद आपका रक्त संचार जो होता है उसमें इनर्जी ज़्यादा होता है, खून कम होता है, तो आप सोते जागते इनर्जी होता है। और कब आप पहुँच जाते हो उस स्थिति में कि जब आप मैं आई थिंक आई बिलीव इन कर्मा थियरी अ लॉट। आप जो देते हो वो कहीं ना कहीं से लौट के आता है। आप पॉजिटिव कीजिए, बगैर किसी इच्छा के कीजिए, वो कहीं ना कहीं से मिल के आता ही है। और शायद यही ऐसा कुछ सोच के या शायद ईश्वर ने उंगली पकड़ के मुझे चलना सिखाया, तो हमने मुस्कान के साथ जुड़े या डिसेबिलिटी के साथ, अमर ज्योति के साथ हमने बहुत काम किया, डेफ एंड डम्ब स्कूल के साथ मैं आज भी काम करती हूँ। और आज जो बच्चों ने मंत्रोच्चार किया बहुत सुंदर, वो मेरे संस्कारों से जुड़ा हुआ है। मैं भी डिफेंस फैमिली से भी हूँ, लेकिन मैं आर्य समाजी फैमिली से हूँ। हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारी क्लब की पहली मीटिंग जो होती है वो हमेशा हम आर्य समाज के बच्चों के साथ करते हैं, हवन करके एक शुद्धि हो जाती है और उस तरीके से करते हैं। आज भी मेरी बिटिया का बर्थडे, शी इज अगेन नंबर 4 so I'm surrounded by number 4th of December। तो हम उसका बर्थडे हमेशा उन बच्चों के साथ में ही करते हैं। तो एनर्जी कोई किटी नहीं है, किसी डॉक्टर ने नहीं हमें कहा है कि आपको एनर्जी ज्वाइन करना है, लेकिन जब आप करते हैं तो बिलीव मी जिंदगी बदल जाती है, लोगों की दृष्टि आपके प्रति बदल जाती है, सोसाइटी की दृष्टि बदल जाती है। वरना क्या किया, बड़े हुए, पढ़े लिखे, शादी की, बच्चों की शादी की, उसके बाद क्या? तो अब वो एक जरिया है, एक बात है, व्हेन यू डू गुड फॉर द सोसाइटी। इस बार और मेरा डिसेबिलिटी के फील्ड में भी अक्सर लोग जाते हैं तो वो आंसू लेके बाहर आते हैं। जब फर्स्ट विजिट होती है, कम आउट क्राइंग, आई टेल देम नहीं, हमें उनके लिए, उन्हें हमारी सहानुभूति नहीं चाहिए, उन्हें ये चाहिए कि हम उनके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं। नीरज जी आप बैठिए, हम दोनों बहुत काम करते हैं मुस्कान में, तो हमें सिर्फ हमेशा ये रहता है कि इनको सोसाइटी की मुख्य धारा में कैसे हम उनको मिला सकें और उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकें। द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि वो अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो सकें। और मुस्कान के हमारे बहुत बच्चे ये कर रहे हैं। इवन हमारी जो डेफ एंड डम्ब स्कूल है, वहाँ भी हमारी कोशिश रहती है कि हम ये सब करते हैं। और जिंदगी तो देखिए, मैं समझती हूँ कि इट इज अ स्ट्रगल। ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी दिन जिंदगी का ऐसा होता है कि जो परफेक्ट होता है। तो एक कुछ लाइनें याद आती है मुझे कि जो साफ फूलों के चले, जो ढाल पाते ही ढले, वो जिंदगी क्या जिंदगी जो सिर्फ पानी सी बहे। सच हम नहीं, सच तुम नहीं, सच है महर्ष संघर्ष ही। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू फॉर जिंदगी जीने के लिए इससे अच्छी दवा नहीं होती। थैंक यू जी। एंड नाउ वी हैव टू कट द केक। इट्स आवर
ऐसे रहेंगे, ऐसे रहेंगे।
बधाइयाँ दी कड़ी आई, आसमान तारे ने, आसमान तारे ने, ए ग्रीन के डगमगले सन बड़े प्यारे ने, ए ग्रीन के डगमगले सन बड़े प्यारे ने। नंबरगिनी चलाई जांदे हो, नंबरगिनी चलाई जांदे हो, सानू दिख टूटा दे जो, सते गले गले जाई जांदे हो, सानू दिख टूटा दे जो, सते गले गले जाई जांदे हो। सलवार कुर्ता जाली का,
छोड़े कभी मेरी गली आया करो, गोरी गोरी ओ बाकी छोरी चाहे रोज बुलाया करो, ओ बाकी छोरी मेरी प्रिया रंगून निकला से किया है टेलीफोन, तुम्हारी याद सताती है, जिया में याद सजाती है, जिया में आग लगाती है, मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कजरे ने ले ली मेरी जान, आए रे तेरे कुर्बान।
जयकारा शेरा वाली दा बोल साचे दरबार की जय। वही तो मैं कहती हूं, हमारा काम है, मेरा तो रेडी है।
हमारी क्लब प्रेसिडेंट अमूल हवेलिया और हमारे थैंक यू।